This tutorial will learn on how we can handle missing data. So we have our data here. This is my data, just the sample data for birth data that I labeled birth data 1. So this birth data contains birth weight, gestation weeks, mother's age, and the gender for a child. These are the weights in grams for a child, and these are the gestation weeks, and this is mother's age. So our interest is how we are going to deal or detect these missing values if you have a bunch of data. The Panda library detects these missing values by labeling them as not a value or not a number. That is NaN. So let's start importing our data into our Python, and normally I will use this spider. Let's start by saving our file as data cleaning. I will just use D cleaning. That's data cleaning, and I have the directory on my desktop called Python, and inside it there is my data, birth data. So I save the editor file in that one. So now I import my data using Panda library. Import pandas as PD. Then data frame, the file of my new file name of my data, pd dot read. Okay, I have the option there. Then we have the name of the file, and that is birth data 1 saved in CSV format, CSV. Then just click enter. Now I can print to see my data. Print okay, print df, and when I run it I can see my data. These are my data. So you can see Panda have detected the missing value by labeling this way. This is how Panda library detect the missing value. So we are going to see the other way of detecting the missing value using the isNull function. IsNull function detects the missing values and produce true if the data is missing and false if the data is present. So let's create a new data file that is df1, which will represent the missing value data file from the original df dot isNull, okay, function. So now this will detect the missing value in the data file by producing true if the data is missing and false if the data is present. So to see that, we can print let's print the df1 file. So if we run, you can see. So for here we have, these are the original one, missing data produced by these are our original data where the Pandas library detected the missing value as NaN. But here you can see the isNull function produces, for instance, if we take for gestation weeks, we can see the first value present, that is false, the second one and the third one they are missing, so we find it's true. Okay, the same if you come to birth weight, we have missing value at the fourth row. The same here, you can find there is true. If you have a bunch of data, now you might need to know how many missing values are in the each variables. So also isNull function give us that option. So what you do, just add here df.isNull, just add .sum. Okay, .sum function. So this will give you the number of missing values for each variable in your data file. So you see, these are our data with some missing values detected in pandas. Now, the isNull function .sum now have shown us how many missing values are there in each of the variables. That is, for birth weight, we have 2 missing values. These are 1, 2. And for gestation weeks, we have 3 missing values. You can see 1, 2, 3. So this is how now you can detect the missing values in each of the variables. Okay. Also, we can filter and view particular column missing values using the command function. Suppose now I name this new file as df2 equal to df square brackets df dot, let's say we want to see the particular column, and our column, let's see, we want to see the missing values for gestation weeks. So is df dot gest weeks dot isNull and now command to print the df2. So if we run it, you can see we have the original data with missing values, and here we have summarized the missing values for each variables, and then we have commanded the program to give us the number of rows for gestation weeks with missing values. And now you can see the gestation weeks have 3 missing values, and now gestation weeks, you can see these are the rows which have missing values, and the ID for that row is row number 2 or with ID 2, 3 and 8 have missing values for gestation weeks. So these ones are the respective values for the other variables, but our programs filtered only the missing rows, the missing values for missing rows of the gestation weeks. So how this shows how you can filter and view a particular variable missing values. Okay, thank you for today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you.